Welcome to Zero to GPT. Language models like GPT are today's most exciting technologies. In this course, we're going to go from zero knowledge of deep learning to training our own GPT model. This course balances theory and application. We'll solve interesting problems like predicting the weather and translating languages. But we'll also learn the theoretical building blocks that you need to fully understand the concepts and apply them in the real world. I'll explain concepts in several different ways: text, code, diagrams, and video. Deep learning is complicated, and it's going to take multiple explanations before a concept clicks. You might be wondering who I am. My name is Vik, and I've been a machine learning engineer, I've won machine learning competitions, and I started Dataquest, which has taught data skills to more than 1 million people. But I didn't study programming or math in school. I actually worked at a factory after I graduated. I had to learn programming and math on my own. Within a year of studying, I was winning machine learning competitions. The way I did it is a teaching method that I've developed, the same teaching method that I'm going to use in this course. And it really involves two fundamental concepts. So the first concept is starting with the basics. We'll start with the very fundamentals of neural networks and build our understanding step by step. This will help you understand more complicated concepts and the full hierarchy of how something works. We'll also solve real problems. Once we learn a concept, we'll apply it to a real-world task, like translating languages. You can't learn deep learning just by reading or watching videos. You really have to practice your skills by coding, and we'll do a lot of that in this course. You'll need to understand Python to take this course, including for loops and classes. If you're not familiar with Python, I recommend taking the first part of the Dataquest Data Scientist path. It'll teach you the skills that you need. To take this course, go through each lesson sequentially. Read the text lesson or watch the video, or both if you want some reinforcement. Then look through the implementation and try to recreate it on your own. It's by coding it on your own that the real learning is going to happen. If you're dreaming of building deep learning models, this course is for you. I hope I'll see you as we go through the course.